Well, hello, good morning and welcome everyone. It's 8 degrees here in the UK, somewhere in Dorset, and the sun is just coming up over our horizon here, and yeah, we make no excuses for being in the same place as we have been, and we thought on this occasion we'd get up first thing in the morning and come for sunrise. Quick flip you around, show you what I mean. Yeah, so we thought we would actually come for sunrise, and yeah, what a marvellous location this is, and that's why we're here again. And already we've had a fly past by a buzzard and a kestrel, again a close hover, and some nice shots of the kestrel. Yeah, so we're working from the boot of the car again, and we've set 1/1500th of a second on the old shutter speed, wide open at f4, and auto ISO, and we're just basically pointing with the sun at our back, and we're waiting to see what comes, where our silhouette is shrouded by the boot behind and the sun's behind us, so this breaks up our outline, so there's a good chance that something could fly in from behind us which could catch us out. So that is the only downside of this position. Occasionally I do have a little sneak view around the car to see what's down here. Well, just a couple of pied wagtails there, so occasionally I'll have a little look down the road just to see if anything has snuck in behind, but essentially we'll keep the sun to our back, and yeah, anything that comes into range in this section here, that's what we're interested in. There is a kestrel on the 1, 2, 3, 4th pole down, which we can't see at the moment, but yeah, amazing. Anyway, we'll just see what flies into view. Hopefully we'll get another bird of prey like that ringtail we had the other night. Female hen harrier would be nice. Anyway, just anything at the moment. Beautiful. Okay, well, I'll put you down for a moment, and yeah, keep our fingers crossed. Beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful session this morning. You never know quite what you're going to get on Camilla and I, and yeah, wildlife, you never know what's around. Anyway, I noticed some fieldfare in the distance. Just moved in to well, principally the fields, but they're very attracted to the berries that are around as well. They do feed principally in the fields, but they do pop up for the odd berry. So I noticed their position further down the road, and I thought, yep, I've got to get in on those fieldfare, and wow, glad I did. They are superb. Just driving down the road, bumped into a beautiful corn bunting. Got a lovely picture of a corn bunting landing on a barbed wire fence. Oh, very nice. So yeah, link to that one. And yeah, the usual suspects around as well. Stone chat, and the buzzard made an appearance as well. Absolutely incredible. So yeah, you never know. Quick flip you around. You never know what you're going to get on Camilla and I. So ideally we're looking for the short-eared owl, but fieldfare are a magnificent looking bird as well. So they come in just about this time of year and stay around until all the berries are gone. Absolutely incredible. Anyway, lovely encounter. That's what we like on Camilla I. Beautiful. Fieldfare. So we were setting 1/3000th of a second just to catch the fieldfare in flight, and yeah, I did get one with a berry in its beak as it obviously flew off from the tree. So yeah, link to that one. Shame, I think it was just slightly going away. I think I would have liked the wings in a slightly more forward-facing fashion, but anyway, not a bad shot. Not a bad shot. To be perfected in future years, no doubt. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, they disappeared for a moment, hence I'm making this. But yeah, what a bit of fun. Fieldfare. Fieldfare. You usually get the red wings in at the same sort of time as well. I haven't seen a red wing. But no doubt they'll be around soon as well. Awesome. Okay, so up with a lark this morning on Camilla and I, up at sunrise. Oh, that kestrel's coming closer again. But yes, up with the lark on Camilla and I. God, that's close. Up the compensation dial a bit. Yeah. God, that kestrel's close. Unbelievable. It's just getting closer. Must be friends with the photographers around here. Take a bit of video. Wonder we've got so much video now of this kestrel around here. Unbelievable. So friendly. Female kestrel hunting above us. Dropping down. Dropping over to the side for a side view. Take a couple of side shots. Amazing. Yeah. Just want to see it swoop down, pick up a mouse actually. Do with a mouse shot. Amazing. Yeah, anyway, you never know what to expect on Camilla and I. I mean, you come out first thing in the morning, hopefully for a wide awake, short-eared owl, but end up getting lovely action again of the kestrel at sunrise, and a couple of buzzards coming over, and then the usual suspects. The show this morning was the fieldfare. Superb, just coming in to season for the fieldfare. Beautiful light, a lovely looking bird, and yeah, I think I've got some good shots. Anyway, just waiting for this kestrel to catch something. Come on, catch something. Oh, it's gone over the other side now. Oh, it's just sitting on the post now. Had enough hovering for the moment. But yeah, I mean, you've always got to stay flexible on wildlife photography outings because it's so unpredictable. You never know what's going to crop up. I mean, what's the time now? About 10 o'clock now. And we've had a lovely session, but we're going to pack up for now and possibly come back later on this afternoon because they're only half an hour away from this location, with a hope that the shorties do eventually come out in reasonable light, but it's all weather dependent and crow dependent round here in particular, so you just never know. So you want to take the opportunities when you can. You know, if you've got a beautiful hovering kestrel in good light, take the shot. And likewise, if you see something move into the area which you can approach and you can get a bit closer with the car and then stealthily move in on, yeah, well worth it. So yeah, fieldfare today, star of the show. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching an episode of Camilla and I. Have a good one.